Okay, just warming up here now. I'm gonna play a little bit of my favorite band.
Rock and roll. What an empty generation.
Et vous êtes avec Jim dans l'émission Rock en Co, une émission rock avec Jim au micro. Bonsoir, comme à l'accoutumée, voici Rock en Co, 1 heure et des poussières de rock sur 103.1 MHz, région du Havre. Ce soir, après l'ouverture, après les McGee's Marshmallow, sur Get It Records, nous avons écouté Chubby Bunny. Voici le programme ce soir: Masonics, Links, Reverberations, Schizophonics, Snails, King Salami, Downmans, Miriam, Midnight Scavengers, Jonah Gold, NG5, Technicolor Noir et bien d'autres surprises. Voici dès à présent de Masonics.
Back to buy her all those things. Now she says I can't expect
À l'instant, Je ne comprends pas par les Masonics, extrait de leur nouvel opus sur Dirty Water Records. Cet album se nomme Hoberman Rides Again. De suite, nouvel album sur Big Baby Records 2017 par les Schizophonics. Sur le label Huff Records, The Links sort un album étonnant, Seven. Voici un extrait de Links.
Away
Je vous rappelle que les émissions sont toujours le jeudi soir, une fois sur deux à 20h pour ce qui concerne Rock & Co. Et que de surcroît, elles sont diffusées également les lundis à 4h du matin pour ceux qui vivent et travaillent la nuit. On poursuit la playlist, voici l'excellent groupe The Reverberation, Move Along, c'est Rock & Co. Merci à Beluga Records, The Reverberation. Vous connaissez Lou Reed. Savez-vous qu'il honora des groupes tels que The High Life? Soul City est un titre de High Life dans les années 63 à 65. Voici un inédit High Life. Soul City.
Come on, come on, come on. en voiture, au lit, à la plage, entre amis. Écoutez Rock en Co sur 103 points.
The Dalmans, groupe norvégien sur le label suédois Beluga Records, extrait du 45 tours. De suite, Kim Salami and the Cumberland 3, nouvel album sur Dirty Water Records, Tiger in Your Tank, King Salami and the Cumberland 3.
Attention all listeners, attention all listeners. This is the Colonel speaking, reminding you that you can master any wild animal by looking him straight in the eye.
To me, tiger. Going on the road about 103. Ready to man, sit me out, hold in the tree. He was trying to check me when I looked at him. I rode that little right over this tail. Yeah, I got a tiger in my tent. If there's any doubt, when I pass you on the road, you'll see this tail. Talk to me, tiger. Give it to me, tiger.
Excitement sur Penningham Records, extrait de l'album Soul Rhythm and Blues Breaking the Rule. De suite, Datura 4, second opus sur Live Records. Harry Mountain, un album hardcore pump, power pump de l'ex Dom Mariani Family Tree. Datura 4, Mary Carroll Park.
Every now and then I get that feeling that I gotta get myself back home, just to see the same old places that I once had known. I put my head in a bucket of water, feeling the smoke coming out my ears, heading out into another wasteland where my brain cells disappear. And I ain't going back down the middle of nowhere to that old place where I know I once belonged. There's a reason why it's still in my heart, and I ain't going back to Mary Carroll Park. Me and Mary Jane down by the lake, far from prying eyes to see, watching out for that old greenkeeper and cops in the vicinity. Just a few miles from the Albany Highway, Cecil Carousel, smelling all the flowers on my way back home with another good tale to tell. And I ain't going back down middle of nowhere to that old place where I know I once belonged. And there's a reason why it's still in my heart, but I ain't going back to Mary Carroll Park. Every now and then I get that feeling that I gotta get myself back home, and just to see the same old faces that I once had known. I put my head in a bucket of water, feel the smoke coming out my ears, heading out into another wasteland where my brain cells disappear. But I ain't going back to the middle of nowhere to that old place where I know I once belonged. And there's a reason why it's still in my heart, and I ain't going back to Mary Carroll Park. I ain't going back. I ain't going back to Mary Carroll Park. I ain't going back. I ain't going back. I'm never going back to Mary Carroll Park. I ain't going back. Take me back.
En Grèce, The Snails cartonnent avec leur second opus Dr. Acid. Voici She's Like My Girl des Snails. Mais tout d'abord, les news. News en vrac, Rock en Co présente les disques intéressants du début de l'année. Sur Alive Records, Let It Slide de Mark Porkchop Holder. Également celui de Jack Lee, Bigger Than Life. Sur Voodoo Rhythm Records, 30e anniversaire, un tribute au groupe The Monsters. Sur Dirty Water Records, There Are Among Us, du groupe trash The Sex Organs. Sur Area Pirata Records, Oboe Fee des Gentlemen, qu'on vous a largement sélectionné lors des émissions précédentes. Sur Norton Records, Down Today, le deuxième album de Myriam. Sur Penningham Records, Universal Vagrant de Greg Prevost, ex-Chesterfield Queens. Chez les indépendants, il y a aussi un album que je vous conseille, celui des Wild Truffles. On reprend la liste du programme The Snails.
Vous êtes en plein cœur de l'émission 100% rock sur RVL. Rock en Co avec Jim.
She pulled me up, she dragged me down. What is this shit she talks about? Her name's so bottom one hole. I'm about to dance, she break my bones. Yeah, she's not my girl. I had a girl, she knew like you. She sucked my mind, she feeling blue. Just need some fun, don't need no gold. You're just the same, you break my bones. Yeah, she's not my girl. You move your hips, you play the game. I want some juice, you want some fame. I haven't heard no need, no doctor to set my time and don't you bother. Yeah, she's like my girl. I can't believe that woman.
Sur Norton Records, Myriam, ex-batteuse des Cramps, des Antilles et même des Hellbones, une carrière solo s'exporte. Voici un extrait de son deuxième album, Down Today, le titre She's Going Home. Myriam.
The thunder cracks against the night. The darkest roads with yellow light. The railroad ties and Cheryl's going home. Come hear me shout against the rain. Is there a way to stop this train? I got some reasons to explain about the way I was today. The whistle moans and I'm alone, and Cheryl's going home. Santa Rosa specials down the line. I'm running desperately behind. There's only one thing on my mind. The rain and tears are in my eyes. The things I say that won't be known. And Cheryl's going home. And Cheryl's going home. And Cheryl's going home. And Cheryl's going home.
Australiens, ils tournent à nouveau en France, The Midnight Scavengers. On les avait vus au B&B au Havre, gratuitement, un vrai plaisir. Midnight Scavengers, One Too Many Morning.
Down the streets, the dogs are barking. And the day is getting dark. As the night comes in a falling, the dogs will lose their bark. And the silent night will shatter from the sounds inside of my mind. From one too many mornings and 1,000 miles more.
The crossroads of my doorstep, my eyes they start to fade. As I turn my head back to the room where my love and I once lay,
And I gaze back to the streets, the sidewalks and the sign. And I'm one too many mornings and 1,000 miles behind. But it is a restless, hungry feeling that don't mean no one no good. When everything I am acing, you can say just as good.
you're right from your side, and I'm
Slovenia Records nous envoie du Nevada un sampler avec 30 titres surprenants. Partageons les facéties de ce sampler de Reapers.
Toujours une oreille attentive au rock underground garagiste, c'est Rock en Co.
Look out of sight, running from the world, trying to steal a daydream in the sun. Still need a place to hide when the weekend's done. It's just the way I feel, the things that just don't appeal, it doesn't make it right. And all the things that you need are too high maintenance for me, but I don't wanna fight, at least not tonight. Gonna have fun criticizing every move I make. I guess we never learn from making our mistakes. Switched on, I feel alright. Switched on, won't sleep tonight. And I'll be well on the way at the end of the day, and I'm gone. Yeah, yeah. In the world I create to keep the suffering away, it doesn't bring me down. And all these people I meet that have no places for me won't let them bring me down. Just have another round, turning on the heat, trying to steal a daydream in the sun. Still need to cool the burn when the weekend's done. Switched on, I feel alright. Switched on, won't sleep tonight. And I'll be well on the way at the end of the day, and I'm gone.
respectivement The Reapers et l'excellence avec The Insomniacs à l'instant. Toujours à la pointe de l'actualité, enfin presque. De suite, Jonah Gold and His Silver Apples, Just a Stranger sur Off Label.
Living is easy if you got a home. Living is harder if you're on your own. You're waiting for something. There's something to learn. Working for peanuts, no money to burn. Oh, and you're just a stranger. A long way from home, away from home. So far away, a long way from home, away from home. Working the night shifts, all late in the day, wherever they call you. You know what they play. They might think you're an outcast, and maybe they're right. Whatever they tell you, it's like they're picking the fight. Oh, you're just a stranger, a long way from home, away from home. So far away, a long way from home, away from home. Wake up one morning, every day seems the same. But maybe this time it's different. You don't play their games. Oh, they might think you're a failure. Oh, it's just out of place. And whatever they tell you, you know it anyway. Oh, you're just a stranger, a long way from home, away from home. So far away, a long way from home, long way, away from home, away from home, long way, away from home.
Jonah Gold and his Silver Apples, et à la seconde The NG5, le groupe de Sardaigne. De suite, un Picard, un Bordelais, un Parisien et un Danois, voici les Darlings. Basé à Paris, ex-Stripes, ex-Scoop, voici les Technicolor noirs, clin d'œil à Alex sur Dig the Fuzz Records. Bonne soirée, rendez-vous le lundi à 4h du matin sur 103.1 MHz, ou alors, comme d'habitude, soit un jeudi sur deux à 20h sur RVL. À bientôt.
Hustling the team, I'm working my team, working my team, working my team. As long as my dream on a yellow brick road, you don't do us your toes. Sleep late in the morning, get busy in the evenings. All the visions, all the tensions, all the thinking, all the making do, all the wishing, all the hoping, all the crying. You can pass it through, you can pass it through, you can break it through, you can plan it too, you can work it through. You're wasting my time, wasting my time, wasting my time. That is your crime. I'm starting your line, starting your line, starting your line. I won't get that fight. I follow the rainbow as far as the wind blows. I'm born in the house, one can walk in the halls. All the visions, all the tensions, all the thinking, all the making do, all the wishing, all the hoping, all the crying. You can pass it through, you can pass it through, you can break it through, you can plan it too, you can work it through you.
with you.